Do you have a statement, I guess, to say to begin with?
Yeah, well, we're pleased with today's outcome. This is a case that never should have been brought in the first place. In 28 years of trial work, I've never seen a case where facts were ignored in a drive to the spotlight. Terry Bean's a lifelong Oregonian. He's a successful businessman. He's done a lot on the social front nationally as well as here in the state. And we hope that today is the first step in clearing his good name.
What facts were ignored?
Facts were ignored. We had facts that we would have presented at trial that Mr. Bean wasn't present in the room, and we had a witness that would have corroborated that. We also had evidence that Mr. Lawson and Mr. Dickey had contacted the alleged victim shortly before they went to the police.
You wanted it to be with prejudice, so you say you're happy with the outcome, but is there some disappointment too?
We're not concerned. We have the facts on our side, and we were ready to present the truth.
Did the civil compromise in any way, for lack of a better word, compromise just the way things ended up in the end here, and the public perception, maybe, the attempt to have a civil compromise?
Well, I think everybody knows that all over the country, bogus lawsuits are brought, and they're settled. They're settled for personal reasons, for business reasons. In this case, before I even was retained, there was a settlement demand that had already been made. We know that the alleged victim hired a civil attorney, and it made sense if it was allowed under the law, which it is. The legislature authorized a civil compromise in this case. It made a lot of sense, and I advised my client to attempt to come to that agreement. The court rejected it, so we were ready to proceed to trial.
So you're saying the alleged victim initiated the civil compromise, and it wasn't your party?
The alleged victim reached out for compensation initially. That's what I'm saying.